When you notice that telltale whistle coming from the windshield area, or water seeping in during a downpour, it's a sign that your windshield seal might be giving up the ghost. So how do you tackle that? Well, repairing a windshield seal doesn't have to be a Herculean task. Here's what you're going to need. A caulking gun, which you can grab from any hardware store. A tube of windshield sealant, specifically designed for automotive use to handle all that flexing and vibration. A razor blade or a utility knife for any old, stubborn seal remnants. Let's walk through the steps, shall we? Step 1. Clean up. Start by giving the area a good scrub. You can't have dirt and old bits of seal gumming up the works. Use your razor blade carefully to remove any old sealant that's still clinging on. Step 2. Prepare the sealant. Cut the tip of the sealant tube. Remember, it's like icing a cake. Start small. You can always cut more off if needed. Step 3. Apply the sealant. This is where that steady hand comes in. With the caulking gun, lay down a smooth, even bead of sealant around the edge where the windshield meets the body of the car. No need to rush it. Take your time to ensure a good seal. Step 4. Smooth it out. Wet your finger a little and run it along the bead you just applied. This can help push the sealant into any gaps and smooth out your work. Again, think like a baker smoothing frosting on a cake. Step 5. Let it set. Read the instructions on the sealant tube. You want that baby to cure as strongly as Arnold's muscles did in the 70s. No touching, no car washing, and give it plenty of time. Step 6. Test it out. Once everything has set, and I mean fully set, give it a test. Pour some water over the area, take it for a drive. If there's still a leak, you may have missed a spot, or there might be a deeper issue at play. Don't hesitate to consult a pro if you're unsure. Remember that repairing a windshield seal isn't just about keeping water out. It's also crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of the windshield in case of an accident. A properly sealed windshield is part of the vehicle's safety mechanism. Also, don't forget about the aesthetic aspect. Portland rains can be unforgiving, and a good seal helps preserve the look and value of your ride as much as it keeps you dry. If all this seems like a job you'd rather not tackle, there's no shame in taking it to a professional. After all, not all of us are cut out for the DIY life. Whether you choose to do it yourself or go to a shop, just remember to take care of it quickly. A little leak can lead to big problems down the road.